Uh-oh.
Oh,
Something
spaghetti.
you've got?
Looks like it's got, no, it looks like it's got bubbles though. She loves bubbles.
I love bubbles.
You do love bubbles, yeah.
You right, darling?
Yeah, she's having a ball.
Oh.
That's it. Lift the box up. Turn it round, see what's in there.
Oh, wow.
What is it?
That.
That makes bubbles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stand it up.
Stand it up.
Wow.
Is that going to be good?
Yeah.
Look at that ball.
I'm pulling.
Actually, Joe can't lift it. Move, boys. Move.
No.
What's it doing all the big ones now? Do you change the setting or something?
No, no, it just does it. She's trying to catch him on her face.
It's too hot.
Can't have a quick slide down.
Should be all wet now.
No, later maybe.
Yeah, later so.
When it cools, it'll be in shade a bit.
Look behind you. Look out.
Oh, they're all over you. Oh, wow.
She wanted to slide actually after that. You won't need to put any soap down the slide.
Oh, I can put this. Oh, big in the glass. Yeah. Speak to mommy. Oh, pulling it.
Mm.
Enough the bubbles
careful.
for now? Got them everywhere.
Big Mama.